Morning. Selling DTF too cheap makes you broke. John Hutchison here, and this is DTF Secrets. One of the questions I get asked a lot, and which I see in the groups, the forums, is how should I charge for my DTF transfers? And that's a blimmin' good question, because you want to make money, but again, you don't want to be cheap. But you don't want to be too expensive. But where do you start? So many people go about this the wrong way, and here's what happens. People start off and they jump online and do research and they ask questions. Hey, what are they selling? What are they charging? And they pretty much look at all the competition and go, well, they're charging this, and they're charging that, and they're charging this. What I'll do is I'll go middle of the road. And that's how they come up with their potential pricing. And that is wrong. Here's why. Every single business has an associated cost. You know, we call it COGS, cost of goods sold. Different businesses have different expenses, different outgoings. Their businesses are different sizes. Someone who just starts out and has maybe a desktop printer, as opposed to someone who's got a full-on commercial unit with like 3 printers, they've got employees, the costs are going to be different. You need to work out what your COGS are. The biggest problem is that people are following the herd, you know, and you've seen it. One cow goes across the meadow, all the cows follow. And that's what I call a Me Too business. You don't want to be a copycat business. You have to come across what your COGS are to understand your true costs, and then look at what the potential margin can be. But there are a number of things to take into consideration. Cost of goods sold. It's the cost of every type of element or consumable or service or process in your business. So let's look at DTF consumables. You have DTF ink, your powder, you have your film. They are all consumables and have costs, so you need to work it out. Then you've got your printer. Well, how fast does your printer print? How much ink are you laying down? How much film are you using? How fast is it printing this to get to the end result? You have to look at that, because another factor is time. Do you value your time? A lot of people don't charge for the time. They come across this stuff, they do it, they print it, they get it out and they ship it, but they don't take into consideration their time. Me, I value my time. I know exactly what my time is valued at, and that's how I price things. With that in mind, you can work out, you know, if your printer is printing at a certain speed and it's putting so much ink down, you can calculate what this cost really is and then include your time, and then time that end to end, and then come up with, well, based on the meterage, this is what it really costs me. There are other things to consider too. Do you buy locally? Are you paying local prices? Are you buying it and bringing it in bulk? Is there shipping cost involved? Is there custom fees involved? Is there tax involved? You have to know all these costs. Once you've determined that, it's simple math. When you've done that, then you can look to see what people are charging. Here's the big thing. Do not price based on a service. Price it based on the value that you're really delivering. If you're comparing apples to apples and you see this guy's charging this and you're charging this, if a customer looks at you and goes, yeah, same product, yeah, apples for apples, there's no value. What have you got that you can add on that gives you more value? So for me in my business, there's 2 things that I identified that customers love and why they keep buying from me. The first one is longevity. My product is really good. Quality is there. People love a really nice product. Longevity, it lasts. When they apply it, it goes through the wash test. It lasts. Longevity, they love that. The second thing they love, speed. They get the order in, we actually get it out 24 hours. They love speed. So that's 2 things that are very valuable to my customers and why they come back. So for me, Apple is now an orange, and that's what you need to do. So don't think about when you're pricing, you're comparing apples to apples. You're unique, your business is unique. Find a unique value that people want, and that's how you should then price your products and services. Don't become one of the herd. Don't just, you know, price based on that. Look for the value, and your customers will appreciate that. If you enjoyed this content and would love to see more, smash the subscribe button. I've also linked additional videos for you here.